Yeah, you meet like cool random people.
Mama, what's the bugs that you ate for dinner the other day?
Bamboo worms and locusts. Yeah, the bamboo worms are so good. And then today I will hopefully have some like water dragonflies.
Dragonflies? Oh, yum! In the back of the picture?
I think they're like babies or something. They've been good though. They've been really tasty so far.
The meal of dragonflies.
You guys want to come join me?
Isn't it amazing that technology can all talk to each other?
Yeah, it really is. Thank you. 再见。再见。
来，帮我翻译。
好。
英文，帮我问一下他们要什么样。
好的。I'm a translator.
你要糖吗？
汤。
奶精。
我现在很舒服，我当喝咖啡。
纯咖啡，你需要加糖或者奶精吗？
哦，不用。
不用哦，就喝纯的。
哦，我以为您的意思是汤。
哦 no， 糖 sugar
对。糖是第二声。
糖对。
哎呦。
糖 sugar。
Chinese has 4 tones, so Mrs. Chen just said, "Do you want any tang?" And I was like, "No, I don't want any soup. I'll just wait for my coffee." She's like, "No, I know. Do you want me to add milk or sugar?" So tang is sugar, tang is soup. Tang. 中文太难学了。
早知道我先化个妆。等一下啊。
好，谢谢。
拜。
Hello, my name is Simba. Welcome to Springfield Inn. Yeah.
That's why it feels like home. It's called the Springfield Inn. Chinese journal is Dunzo. I'm gonna go try to find a book. Badaboo. 谢谢。我可以拍视频吗？
可以。
好的。哇。So the owner's gonna let me use this big ass tripod. Not sure what I'll use it for, but hey, cool. Wow! Cool things just keep happening in China. So this is my new friend Arjun. He's from Istanbul, lives in Thailand right now.
What was the book that you bought?
I don't even know it yet.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it is going to be a slow process for me to finish that book. It's like 250 pages. But I asked Mr. Chen for an easy, short Chinese book, and preferably written by a female author, because one of my New Year's resolutions for 2019 is to read only books written by women, because for the past few years, I wrote down the books I read, and almost all of them were written by men.
Yeah, that's true. You know, that's something that has drawn my attention too. This is what I have been doing for a really long time. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, no. That's one of the things I love about coming to China, or different places, traveling, is that it broadens my perspective. I get to meet people from all different backgrounds, and I mean, that's the beauty of travel in so many ways. It opens up your mind a little bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Speaking of opening up your mind, Ercan and I are gonna go try to eat some
bugs.
Some insect dish. So
it's gonna be my first time.
Cool. Let's see how it goes.
My feelings, I mean, everything is new, so it's just fine, man. This is the purpose.
watch him cook it. He cooked it for a while.
Maybe it's enough, huh? Oh, mamma mia. Is it an expensive camera? Anyway.
So. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Hey everybody, we are at a Baizu restaurant that is an ethnic minority here in Yunnan and especially so in Dali. We ordered some 水蜻蜓, 对, some water dragonflies, and I'm gonna give it a taste. So here we go. Waitress, who has been very helpful, she was very kind and said I could film, and yeah, anyway, she recommended eating it from the toe, or sorry, speaking Chinglish, eating it from the head.
Okay, yeah. How is it?
It's delicious.
Okay.
It's really good. Oh, I like it a lot. This is my favorite insect dish I've had thus far. Really good. It's very lightly fried. It's not like super crunchy. Oh, that's good. One more. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
From the head. Ah. Oh. It's like, I don't know, it's very light, man.
Yeah, it's very light.
Like empty inside.
谢谢，非常好吃。
Oh, this is nice. Look at it, it's nice.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh, I want to go for another one. Huh? It's like chips.
Yeah, it's but like a little bit meatier, like a meaty chip.
Cool. We gotta finish them. Oh. I like more those brown ones.
Yeah.
I think yeah. Sorry, man. Oh. Crunchy. Those brown ones.
They do have like these sharp little barbs, kind of at the tip of them. Kind of have to be careful. That is why the waitress told us to eat them from the heads first.
I think this one is better.
That's it. We ate them all. Sweet. Cool. Yeah. Thanks. Peace out. Bye-bye.